Hi guys. Yes, I've had all my hair cut off and I love it. My husband doesn't hear this very often, but he was right. Yeah, back to short is great. Okay. So officially today, 8 weeks today, I came home from my knee revision surgery, and on July the 5th I went for my follow-up appointment with Dr. Masri. He is thrilled and I'm over the moon because as you guys know, for 3 years I was a cripple because I had a knee replacement done and somehow I was put in crooked. And the answer was that I was knock-kneed, which I'm not. I know my knees go in a bit, but I wasn't knock-kneed as far as I'm concerned. I've never told that. Nobody's ever mentioned that except the gentleman, the doctor that did this. Anyway, that's back there. I'm got through the surgery really well. I have been doing all my exercises. Now I must admit, I only went to physio 3 times. The lady I had, she was lovely, but it was maybe because I'd already been through it once before. I just found a lot of the equipment that she didn't have that they had at the hospital in the physio, and she didn't really push me very hard. I was harder on myself, and then she'd say, well, don't push yourself too hard. But I know kind of with the knee replacement or even a revision, you got to push yourself a little bit past that uncomfortable feeling. You know, I'm not sure if there's like no pain, no gain. I'm not sure if that would be where you'd want to go with it, but I know you've got to push yourself a little bit past that comfort zone because you know, with the swelling you tend to want to hold back. I've been really good. I'm icing my knee today even at least 3 times a day. I have my ice machine, and that because I have a fair amount of swelling, that's really been important. But you know what, today actually I went up the stairs without holding on to the railing, and I just went up there. Before my surgery I couldn't do that because my leg was so crooked. I had to hang on to something to get up the stairs. I haven't tried going down, but probably a good idea to hold on to a railing going down, whether I had a knee replacement or not. So I'm very excited what the future holds for me. I've been swimming, and yes, I'm going to be going to the gym. I'm going to start doing leg presses because I have to get my hip back into some sort of not getting into that kink because on my gait everything's been thrown off. So anyway, you guys, I'm going to post some of the x-rays, the x-ray from the original surgery that I had on May the 19th of 2015, and then I'm going to put the x-rays on that Dr. Masri took when I was in for my visit on the 5th of July, and you can see you can't actually see the liner, but I'm assuming that's what the space, and you can see how much of a liner they had to put in to bring my leg, I guess, yeah, back in that way. Anyway, anybody knows how to read an x-ray, it'll give you an idea what it looks like. I am absolutely thrilled. Thank you so much, Dr. Masri. I am so fortunate, you guys, that I found somebody, first of all, who's the head of orthopedic surgery at the University of British Columbia, that he could see a fix. This is the 3rd time that this has been done, and so I'm very excited. If anybody ever has a huge problem, you know, this was a lot easier than having my whole knee replacement taken out and starting from scratch. So I'm very fortunate. I never have received an answer from anybody why the first one, as from what I can see looking at the x-rays, was put in crooked. So, and I had total faith in this guy, and so I guess stuff happens, but an explanation would have really been appreciated. We all have to be accountable for our stuff at some point. But anyway, yeah, so it is what it is, but you know what? After 3 years, I have a future, I have a life. I'm going to dance again. So I'm very excited. Check the x-rays, and yeah, you guys, I think actually they show out on that side. Anyway, check out the x-rays, you guys, and we'll be back to doing our condo stuff pretty soon. Take care. Bye.